Hi. Hi guys. So we are in a different hotel now because we are going to Tully Chateau this night. This again is our main lounge area, and we have Rachel and Katie, and we have Holly filming. You can only be and show yourself in the mirror. Probably don't have a reflection. Yes, we have fancy creepy wardrobe.
Which you can't really fit into the shop, but there we go.
Oh, I never noticed the painting. That's quite creepy. So we get out like, and then we have our snacks and our desk again, and the TV. And out here we have the pool. You cannot see it, but
Someone's definitely gonna emerge open the bed.
Oh yeah, 100%, like some sort of Venus. And there's a wee slide, like one of the wee kiddie slides, so you can get into. And through here we have our bathroom, which I have already christened. And we have a toilet, which is not blocked. I didn't block it. Yes, I always fun, isn't it? You just go show them. We have a sink and we have a mirror. Hi. And we have a bath with a shower with a small head this time. Remember in the last tour that we had a hotel and the shower had a big head, but this time it has a small head. Small heads are not preferable. And both for showering and other things. And just so you know, the guy says he's only going to give you head. It's a lie. He will never only give you head. He will shove the full thing in and it will hurt. So don't ever listen to that. Thanks, Head of Shannon. On that awkward, delightful note, bye.